Hello friend, welcome to our Excel Vba channel. Today I will present a magic tricks to you. A request for new viewers, please subscribe our channel. Starting with a little magic tricks. We are all familiar with Microsoft Excel. We all work in Microsoft Excel. How many columns or row we are active in Excel sheet? Confirm that position. For example, I will be active in the cell. That cell will show in green. I will use only 2 short lines of code. First step, open your Excel workbook. Second step, right click on the active sheet and go to view code. Click on general option above. Activate the worksheet and enter the code. Active sheet dot cells dot interior dot color index equal XL none. Second code, target dot cells dot interior dot color index equal 4. Now save the file with any name. Now watch the magic. The cell where the cursor is will be colored green. Excellent tricks.